to pay later on Uber Eats. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay later on your Uber Eats app in your mobile device. And if you don't have it, just simply download it and simply open your Uber Eats in your mobile device. And once you're there in your Uber Eats account, just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your account, just simply click on the profile section from the top right corner of your mobile screen. And over here, when you will scroll down under the money section, you will be able to see the option called payment settings. Just simply tap on it, and when you will scroll down till the bottom, you will be able to see the option called pay on delivery. Basically, in order to pay later on your Uber Eats account, you need to enable the pay on delivery option in your Uber Eats app, so that whenever you make any order on your Uber Eats account, you don't have to pay online or immediately whenever you place the order, but you just simply have to place your order, and when you get your parcel delivered at your doorstep, then you have to make the payment either using cash or any other payment method as per your choice. This is basically how you will be able to pay later on your Uber Eats. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.